Hello everyone, I Sanjay Matapati, Assistant Professor, ISMR MCA Department, here with you to explain the concept of MongoDB using Python. As of now, we have already discussed about how to deal with the MongoDB environment through the MongoDB shell. Now we will be discussing using Python how we are going to connect to the MongoDB server and get the access for the MongoDB database. Now here, say to use the MongoDB database server in Python environment, okay, we require one of the package which is called as PyMongo. Okay, so very first thing that we have to search for how to install PyMongo package, then install PyMongo package. Generally we have standard method in Python, everyone knows that, pip install PyMongo. Okay, once you complete the installation of PyMongo, you will get that successfully installed this PyMongo. Okay, from where we are going to get this? This is the reference website that I have given to you, say pypy.org/project/pymongo. Okay, let's see and go through that website first. This is what the site from where we are going to get the information about how to install. Okay, so pip install PyMongo. Little bit more descriptions are given. Some downloadable files are also available on this particular site. So just if you keep on scrolling, you'll get the information. Then here the installation of PyMongo starts. Okay, say python-m pip install PyMongo. Okay, different operating system, how it has to be installed, everything is there. If you are using Jupyter Notebook, then in that case you have to go with some different methodologies. In Jupyter Notebook, go for the environment and just select the packages you would like to install and then add that installation one. Now just go through the next one. This is what just website I have shown just now. Go through this entire environment, entire documentation that I have prepared for you. Okay, that right from the installation. Okay, so here pip install PyMongo. Once I execute this, then you will get the message successfully installed. Okay, after that we have to import some of the packages, okay, according to the requirement of our entire program. Okay, so here import OS, import pandas. Okay, these many packages not required at all. We require one basic module, that is what, import PyMongo. Okay, why I have imported all these things? Okay, because in further session I have used so many things from all these modules. Okay, so JSON, from JSON I have created JSON object. Okay, similarly some of the methods are there used by me from sys and io. Okay, as well as here why I use the pandas, that we are going to learn about how the data frame from the pandas can also be sent or written as a document in MongoDB. Okay, so for that I have used imported so many modules. And one thing remember that, okay, here import PyMongo I have written, and of course from PyMongo I have imported one more module which is called as the Mongo client. Okay, so Mongo client is one of the important module that we require, using which we are going to create the object. Okay, and through that client object only we are going to connect this Python environment to the server. Okay, now if I have not been written like this, say from PyMongo import Mongo client. Okay, if I have been not used, still it will be okay, I have imported PyMongo. But every time wherever I am going to use this Mongo client module, okay, every time I have to prefix with PyMongo.Mongo client. Okay, so that's why specially import PyMongo as well as from PyMongo import Mongo client. So additional line is written over here. Well, that's all from today's session. We have discussed about how to install the PyMongo module in Python, and then how to import the PyMongo, as well as how to create the client of PyMongo module. In next session, we will be discussing about how to connect the database and how to perform the different operations on the database.